Preparation for installing. Screw out the boot. Penetrate the fiber into the boot. Penetrate the fiber into the shaft striper till the scale's end, pressing and holding the handle. Draw out the fiber. Check if the fiber is damaged. Insert the fiber against the striper close to the end. Press the blade and draw out the fiber. Check if the fiber is damaged. Clean the bare fiber with alcohol. Take out cable holder. Put the fiber against the cable holder close to the end. Cut the fiber. The length of bare fiber is 8.5 millimeters. Take down the opener. Insert the fiber carefully. Ensure a slide band is formed to confirm that the fiber is fully inserted. Screw in the rear cover at the same time and lock the fiber firmly. Press the wedge. Cover the housing and finish the installation. Performance testing. Take down the dust cover. Clean the fiber end face. Insert adapter. Display the testing results. The following is disassembled steps. Hold down dust cover and remove the housing. Use the opener to open the wedge. Screw out the boot. Draw out the fiber. Reassemble the boot. Install the opener and finish disassembling.